here today at Pupkewitz AFC to talk about the Ironman collapsible range of products for your camping. We have the collapsible bucket with a handle, and it's a 10-liter capacity. So when you fold it, it will look like this. So it's very little storage that you will need when you go camping. Secondly, we do have the collapsible dish rack with a tray, and it has holes behind, so you can put your tray and the water can go through to the tray when you do your dishes after you wash them in the collapsible bucket of Ironman. Last but not least, we have the collapsible storage tub that comes with a lid, and it also has a supporting wire. It comes in a 30-liter capacity and also a 45-liter capacity. So for all your camping kitchen needs, we have all these products at Pupkewitz AFC, corner of Julius, Nyerere and Patterson Street. You are more than welcome to pop into our shop anytime. Ironman is my storage hero. I don't have a lot of storage in my bakkie, storage space. So let's see. Wow. We're going camping with Ironman.